So what we do here? To find out that, I need this. And that. I need both of them. So I can use the right triangle Pythagorean theorem to find out the x. But to get these two, now I need to focus about the mid-size right triangle, which is this. This is a right triangle. The 90 degrees here. I know that this is C, this is A, this is B. So let's focus on that right now, because we want to find out what the A is. Pythagorean theorem is C equals A square plus B square. Which one is C? 13. 13 square equals A is 10 square plus B is the one we want to find out. 13 square is 169 equals 100 plus B. 100 will go to the other side as a subtraction. I'm sorry, I forgot the square here. And it will become 169 minus 100 equals B square. B square is 69. And remember, we always want to know what the B is, not B square. So let's take the square root from both sides. Now I only have B on the right. Square root of 69. Let's calculate that. 69 square root of that. I got some numbers here. So what I should do? I don't know. Let's take a look at the handout. It will tell you to round up whatever number, and on the top it says round up to the nearest 100. So I'm going to round up this number to nearest 100. That means, so this is the number I got, 8.30662. It goes on and on. Nearest 100 means I'm going to have 2 digits. This is more than 5, so I'm going to give 1 extra. So when you round up, it will be 8.31. So B will be 8.31. I round it up to the nearest 100. So now I know the B. So this is 8.31. So I just have to figure out this using right triangle ratio. So let's use that. This number will be on top. I don't understand this triangle. I'm gonna change this question the way I understand it. So let's choose everything, make a group. And it didn't select that. Shift this. Okay, make a group. Alright, now let's go make this smaller. Okay. Turn the paper the way you like it. This is the way I like to see the question. This is how I know what to write down. So when you have this question in front of you, so you just turn it the way you understand. So let's go back. As I said, this number goes to the top. So that means this number, which is 8.31, 8.31, 8.31 goes up, and doesn't matter which one of those numbers going down. So I'm gonna pick one of them. I'm gonna pick this. This is going down here, which is 10 equals. So I did this, I did that. Now this, which means this part going up, that's the side I want to find out. So let's call this E. I want to find out E. So this is going up. E goes up. And the bottom, this number goes again here. So we are talking about 8.31 once again. 8.31. So 8.31. So I'm going to need some space here. Let's take those numbers down here somewhere. So this is the ratio. I need to find out the E. So I'm going to leave E alone. To leave E alone, the division needs to go to the other side. It's a division. What it will do? Multiply. So let's do that. 8.31 times 8.31 divided by 10 equals to E. Now let's use the calculator for this. 8.31 times 8.31 equals this divided by 10. I will get that, and I'm going to round up to the nearest 100. So make a line here, 5 or more than 5. I'm going to give one extra, so the answer will be 6.91. E 6.91. So now I know the E. Let's go back to the question. Let's write this down. Now we know that this is 6.91, right? If I don't remember it wrong. Yes. Now we are almost done. X is the real question. This is 90 degree here. That means this is also 90 degree. So I am looking at another Pythagorean theorem. So let's write it down on the side here using the blue color. C square equals A square plus B square. C is the one across from 90 degree, which is X. X square equals AB never matters. So this is 8.31 upside down, but we know it's 8.31. So let's write this down. 8.31 square that, and B is 6.91. 6.91 square that, X square equals, calculator, 8.31 times 8.31 will give me that. But I'm not going to write that down. I'm going to round these numbers. Remember, round them to the nearest 100. 69.06. 69.06 plus, now I'm going to calculate that, 6.91 times 6.91 equals 47.75. 47.75 x squared, almost done. Let's add those numbers. 69.06 plus 47.75. That's 116.81. 116.81. Almost done. Almost there. Square root of this. I'm going to round this up to the nearest hundredth. 10.81. 10.81 what? Centimeter. Centimeter. Now you know what the x is.